In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Play Store payment method problem. So in case you're having payment method problems inside your Google Play Store, here's how you can fix it easily. So first, we're gonna open up our settings on our phone, and then right off the bat, we're gonna search for time. Type in time, press search, and then open up the time settings. In here, make sure you have the set time automatically checked on, okay? Because if it's off and you have, for example, a different time set on your phone that it actually is in real world, this could interfere with Google Play Store and it may cause it to malfunction. So that's the first thing you can do. If you've done this and your issue has been solved, that's great. But if you're still having this issue, here's what we're gonna do next. We're gonna go out of here and we're gonna search for apps, okay? And then you're gonna open up the apps inside your settings. So this is basically the apps menu. It says apps, every phone has it. And in here, you wanna look at the apps list. So in here, I wanna click manage apps. That's what I have to click, but you may have something different. Just find this list of apps inside your settings. Then type in Play Store, and you wanna look for Google Play Store. Click it to open it up. And then first you wanna go to storage. And then underneath where it says clear all data, you want to click delete all data and then press OK. And this will basically erase all your files, settings, accounts, database, and cache, okay? So that's very important. Now, if that didn't fix your issue, what you also have to do is go back outside into the Google Play Store over here inside the app info, and you can also set all the app permissions to allowed. So you want to click on app permissions here in the middle, and then make sure everything is allowed. So under not allowed, nothing should be there, okay? So you want to click, for example, let's say contacts, and you want to click allow, and then it will be added to up here to where it says allowed. And make sure nothing is not allowed and everything is allowed. That also may be the reason why you could be having the problem you are. So in case you weren't able to find this app info screen, what you can also do is find your Google Play Store icon app on your phone. I have it here in my kind of desktop over here. So you want to click and hold it down and then click that info button, and it will automatically instantly open up this app info page. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.